Here's how to return a non-returnable item on Amazon using the updated 2026 method. Open Amazon.com in your browser, log in, and hover over Accounts and Lists. Click your orders, find the item you want to return, and click Return or Replace Items. If Amazon marks it as non-returnable, you'll still get alternative support options. Instead of choosing a return reason, click Problem with Order. This forces Amazon to review the issue, even for non-returnable products. Select what applies: item defective or damaged, wrong item received, missing parts, not as described, item arrived late. These options open up refund or replacement eligibility. Amazon will now show alternative solutions like a refund, partial refund, or replacement, even if the item is normally not returnable. If no refund option appears, scroll down and click Get Help or Contact Us. Choose Orders the item, Problem with Order. Then select Chat with Us or Request a Call. Explain that the item is defective, incorrect, or unusable. Amazon usually issues a refund without requiring a return. Amazon will send a confirmation once your refund or replacement is approved. Most refunds appear within 2 to 4 hours. And that's it. You can still get a refund on non-returnable items using these steps.